today we are about to enter Panama Canal and we'll be transiting tonight. So the weather is sunny, so I am planning to put GoPro on bridge glass. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another bright sunny day. So we are inside Panama Canal today, and yesterday evening we have crossed Panama Canal's first lock. So that is Aqua Clara locks. So that is the Aqua Clara lock. We came from there yesterday evening and we are anchored over here after we crossed the locks. So now at 1100 our pilot is booked, so pilot will be coming at around 11:15 and we'll be going for another lock. So that is Kokoli lock. So we'll be going there. So we have a passage of around 3 to 4 hours, and then we'll be crossing the locks, and then we'll go out of the Panama Canal. So that side is Balboa side, this side is Cristobal side. So we'll be crossing it in the evening, and then we'll go to Pacific Ocean. Some storms are building up there, so we'll see. Came here because I have to capture a beautiful view, and this is the view. I will show you how the view looks, but you have to wait for some time for this beautiful view. Let me see, we are at the time of sunset here and we are exiting Panama Canal, and this is the view. Sun is setting behind that mountain, clouds are there. This looks amazing. We have exited from Panama Canal transit and time is now 1900. So it was a full day transit because we have anchored there in between the Panama Canal. So now we are proceeding towards Japan. We have changed the crew here. Second officer signed off, so new second officer is on board. Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to another beautiful day at sea. So we are in the middle of July and we are proceeding towards Japan. So after departing from Panama Canal, we were sailing to Japan at slow speeds, around 10 knots as instructed by charterers. So currently just 2 days before, charterer called us and they asked us to increase speed. So we are currently moving at full speed right now. So at this speed, at 16 knots, we are approaching Japan on 16th of July. So in Japan we are expected to discharge in 2 boats. We have a crew change also, and then we'll see what the loading port is. Still the loading port is not confirmed. So time right now here is 1800 and sun is about to set. As you can see, sun is about to set, waves are high, and we are proceeding to Japan. Just now we had a drug and alcohol test, so I was also there in that list. So this was a unannounced test from company, and we have to give our urine samples, and this urine samples looks like this. We have to wait for some time, then these strips will indicate that we have drug particles in our urine or not. And we also had our alcohol test. So this is a general routine on this ship. Good morning, welcome to another day at sea. So today we are in Japan and we have already discharged in first parcel, first port, Ogishima. So after this we will be departing from here and we will be going to next port, that is Sendai. We will be departing in another 1.5 to 2 hours. So I will be preparing bridge. So next port we are going to is Sendai, and before that we have to take bunkers. So after departing from here we'll go to Anchorage somewhere near this port, and we'll be taking 2 grades of bunkers. This heavy fuel oil and second one is diesel oil. Visibility is not that good today, as you can see. Visibility is not that good. One LNG vessel is also there. That vessel is also discharging. So this terminal is LNG terminal. So we came here to discharge LPG. So now I'm preparing this bridge and we'll depart after some time. This is our chart. So we are currently here. We will depart from this port and we'll come here at this anchorage and we'll take bunkering here. So this anchorage is very near to us, around 2 miles from us, and we'll be taking bunkers. So two bunker barges will come today, and one bunker barge will come tomorrow. That is a diesel oil barge. Around 1 day we are here. After that we'll depart for next port.